So I've got the NZXT Kraken X61, which will be my cooler for my build. It's a 280mm radiator, two 140s. If you're new to the world of, like I am, new to the world of these, then you would probably be thinking, hang on a minute, is that how big the fan is? But obviously then you realise you're a noob when you say stuff like that. I'll just open it all up here, rip it off like Christina's panties, and then we'll yeah, here we go. I'm hoping it comes with its own thermal paste as well, because I've heard just to leave it stock. Now I shall, because I don't really want to do any rubbing of the stuff all the way over on there. So here we go, I'll just show you the front of the case. There it is, the world's first variable speed liquid cooler. Ooh. The good thing is with these, I mean, when I was building, everything was for different, like different backplate of, you know, you'd have to buy this one, you'd have to buy that one. Apparently these all come with different backplates nowadays, and if that's true, then fantastic. I'll just turn that round. Or it's like a backplate that sort of feels different, like CPUs and their chipsets. I don't know if you've got all that there. Yeah, apparently this supports loads of different sockets. Sorry, I sort of got distracted because I was reading the back myself. Yeah, actually there you go. Tells you a lot there about the sockets it supports. A lot there. But I dare say everyone's read about this already. And apparently the temperatures are amazing. Apparently I was going to go for, I think it's the X41, single radiator. However, I did want the back end of my computer to just have one fan on there, and I don't usually use top exhausts, so I thought I'll use this. And I am going to put this in a pull configuration rather than push. Apparently there's no difference in temperature on this, but on top of that it should look a lot better in the case, to be honest. Should look a lot better, because I just want the radiator to show. Right, this is going to be fun fitting this, I can see. There's your one card that you get telling you how to mount stuff. I did hear somewhere that you have to make sure that you have this in one particular way, like the backplate. I'm not the best at explaining that, am I? The backplate on your motherboard, you have to have it a specific way, because sometimes that causes the cooler, the actual like connector like that goes to your cooler, not the radiator itself, but it causes your cooler to lose a lot of temperature, and it's just standard support and service. You don't need to know about that. But yeah, it causes it to lose a lot of temperature, drop a lot of degrees. So I need to make sure that when I do fit this, it's all perfect. There's my NZXT fans. If you've checked the video links on Goody aka channel, then you'll realise I'm replacing those. So that's going to go disappearing. I don't want those, but there you go with the fan. Just to show you, actually, they do just come with a standard 4-pin connection. If I can get this out, you can see it is a proper brand new unboxing. There you go, it's a 4-pin connection. Decent cable length on it, nothing else by the looks to actually support, which you shouldn't need. This below is the radiator, I do believe. If I can get this all out. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it. Oh, actually, here we go, nice and simple. There are a lot of backplate cables, so you can see that's going to be interesting. Loads of screws there. I don't know whether anyone would want to go their own individual screws, but there you go with the radiator, nice and protected, nice and big, and yes, it does have its own thermal compound on. So you can see there, this does have the one where the LEDs light up on the back. It also does tell you there, make sure you connect the pump power before turning on. Obviously your CPU will probably end up being able to cook an egg on it if not. Couple of connectors that you really need quick to know about. You've got 4-pin connectors there, and also for your motherboard, I think that is for, yeah, a SATA. That's to control the software that actually does all your LEDs and the controls, your LEDs and the power to your fans for the temperatures. Cool, that's it. If you do need any reviews, I dare say someone's got them, but that's just an unboxing. Thank you.